I'm so excited to show you this basket by Bold Monkey. I mean, it is such a cute little basket. So it's not even little. This is 72 liters. That's about 19 gallons. So pretty large capacity for what it can hold. Right now I have a couple of blankets in here with certainly room for another. But what I want to show you is some of just the features that I really like about this basket is you've got the nice, let's see, try to get it close here, this natural like woven rope. And that is bottom and the top, really nice. I love these leather handles, really, really nice quality. And everything is sealed really nicely attached here with these grommets. So I just think it is the top of the line. It looks super sharp. And not only can I put blankets in here, I thought about maybe doing my granddaughter's toys in here as an option. Pillows, you can put your pillows in here. All sorts of really options. They say you could use it for a laundry basket, but frankly, I think it is way too pretty to use for a laundry basket. So I'm going to stick to either blankets, pillows, or toys. Because really, I mean, it is beautiful. Super easy to carry. Top quality. I think you will absolutely love it.